So in this video, I'm going to show you how to read analog signals using Arduino, potentiometer, Arduino and the potentiometer. So I carried out this simulation using the Tinkercad online software. So here we have the serial monitor that you can use to monitor the output from the analog pin. So these are potentiometer or a variable resistor. So as you can see, if you vary this knob, if you manipulate it both anti-clockwise and clockwise, you can see the value in the serial meter changing. For example, it changes from 0 to 1023, 020. So if you interchange this pin and this pin, the value will change, will increase as you move anti-clockwise. But in this case, as I had connected it this way, so it changes from in a clockwise direction from 0 to 1023. That's like 2 to the power of 10, like a 10-bit. So the Arduino output is normally 5 volts, so the range is around from 0 to 5 volts, and now it converts the analog signal into a range of 0 to 1023. Since analog signals normally have infinite values, for example, between 0 to 5 volts, there are normally infinite instances. For example, you can have 0.1, 0.3. But now the analog digital converter now gives us a range of 10-bit range, 0 to 1023. So here is a sample code that I used and uploaded onto the Arduino. So the first step, you initialize the serial communication, which is this one, and then now in the loop now, this section of the code, line 7, now allows that the serial communication to read the analog input. So in this case, as you can see, we have not initialized any pins because the Arduino analog pins are normally input pins, so there's no need of initializing them in the setup. So in line 8, the line now allows the value from the analog input to be printed onto the serial monitor. And then there's this part called delay. So normally we can put it to 100, then we can start the simulation. So you can do the simulation once more. So you can see here there's the delay is now 100 milliseconds, different from the previous that we had put 1 millisecond. So it doesn't change as fast as the previous simulation. So this middle pin of the potentiometer is the one that's normally connected to the analog input pin, and then either of these pins can be connected to 5 volts input, 5 volts pin of Arduino, and then the other one can be connected to the ground. So if we interchange, let's do an example. So if I interchange this one, if I interchange, you will see the change in this one was the positive. So if I interchange it, let's try to change it and see how it will change. And then here we can put it, okay. Yes, and then so then the one that can make it blur. And now we want to see how it changes the direction. So if I do the simulation, then go to the serial communication. So remember this in this scenario now, if I turn it and clockwise, it changes from maximum to minimum 0, and if I go to if I rotate it this other way, it changes from minimum to maximum. It's like the opposite of the other. So thank you.